Do you want to invest in multifamily real estate out of area or just want to get started but don't know how to make it happen? Well, you're at the right place. My new ebook is now available for free, titled How to Make It Happen in Multifamily Investing, What You Need to Know to Get Started. In the ebook you will learn why multifamily is such a great investor, better than any other asset class, how to choose a market, how to build a team, how to get started, and much, much more. Click on the link below, jump on my website to download the free ebook and a video course giveaway that will set you up for success. Stay tuned, see you soon, and make it happen.